So I'm in my kitchen at the moment, which in my apartment is just a line along one wall. And I want to show you how I make what I call spiced hot chocolate. I have been doing this for a couple months now, and I absolutely love it. And I make my own hot chocolate, which if you would like me to show you the recipe, comment recipe below. But you can just use your favorite hot chocolate mix. I've used this with a dark hot chocolate mix, and it tastes great. I just prefer my own creation. So I will show you how to make that. So you'll just need a cup, of course, cinnamon. I like to use Ceylon cinnamon because that has a little bit more antioxidant properties, or a little bit more nutritional value. And then a little bit of cayenne pepper, and then my hot chocolate mix. So, and hot water, of course. You'll need some hot water, so I have some hot water on the stove getting hot. So you can just pour your hot chocolate mix into your cup. And for reference, I have this teaspoon. It has a long handle, square end, and just a smaller spoon type. So for the cayenne, this is to taste however much. Me personally, I just take the end of my spoon and just put a little mountain on the end and tap that into there, and then I just take the other end and do about a half a teaspoon on this end. So tap that in there, and then I'm going to get my hot water and pour that in. Now you can get fancy and put some whipped cream on top and drizzle it with some chocolate. I have, if I have some leftover coffee, I might put a couple tablespoons of coffee in. I can't drink a lot of coffee. Like, a couple tablespoons of coffee is about the max that I can actually consume at one time. Otherwise, I just get way too jittery. So, as a general rule, I don't drink coffee. So, but every once in a while, it's fun to. I do love the taste of coffee. So every once in a while, I will drink just a smidgen. But anyway, that is my spiced hot chocolate. If you make it, let me know. See what you think. Have a wonderful rest of your day.